Hello kids, let us learn about seed germination. Seed germination is a process of converting tiny seed into growing plant. The plant which grows upward for sunlight and roots grows downwards to anchor the plant. This is all about seed germination. Let us learn seed germination process in detail. Let us start. So, take a seed, dig into ground and tuck this seed under moist soil. So, the life of plant begin from this tiny seed. Yes, and a seed have two coatings. Outer covering is called seed coat. Now, when we put this seed into or under a moist soil, seed germination starts. But there are certain conditions which need to fulfill for a growth of seed. The soil which we are using should be moist, warmth, so the plant will get nourishment from that soil. And the most important thing is a sunlight. So after filling these conditions, the seed germination process starts. Now, what actually happened to that seed which we put under moist water, under moist soil? One small embryo inside that seed is formed, and seed germination starts from this point. Now, this small embryo starts getting nourishment. And what happens when it get nourishment? Plant cells inside the seed starts duplicating. Enzymes get activated and actual nourishment of that small embryo starts from that point. Now, first sign of growth is a small tiny root which is coming out from that seed, and a small tiny root which came out actually anchor root into the soil for further development, and the seed starts growing for nourishment and in search of sunlight. When this seed comes out and bursts from soil in search of sunlight, the outer covering, which is seed coat, that seed coat bursts and growth of plant started. When it is burst, seed coat falls off and a plant now starts growing and getting sunlight. Now we can see a tiny leaves, and this at this point a shoot also starts growing in upward direction for sunlight, and at the same time roots also grows downward direction to anchor the plant. Now here shoot also starts growing upward for a sun. Now at this point we can see baby plant with more and more tiny leaves. Now these tiny leaves again get nourishment, and this small baby plant grows into a plant and then into a tree. This is a process of growth of a seed into a plant, and this process is nothing but seed germination. So to know seed germination uh, in detail, you can do one experiment, very interesting experiment. For this experiment you need to have mung beans or any beans. So let us see what experiment it is.
These are the mung beans. I kept them in 4 different bowls with different temperature and conditions. In this bowl, I kept them without water at the room temperature. In this bowl, I kept them with in water at the room temperature. And these two are at the room temperature only. These 2 bowls, I kept them with moist cotton hanky, but only this was kept in refrigerator and this at the room temperature. Actually, this is the result after 4 days. Dish B and dish D, no results from them. At dish C, it has only been sprouted, and at dish A, they have germinated properly.